Revitalize your kidneys. Top spices to halt proteinuria and accelerate healing. Proteinuria, the presence of excess proteins in urine, is often an early sign of kidney damage. This condition can indicate that the kidneys are not functioning properly, potentially leading to chronic kidney disease if not managed effectively. Diet plays a crucial role in managing kidney diseases. Adjusting one's diet to include kidney-friendly foods while limiting those that stress the kidneys can help manage symptoms and slow the progression of the disease. Certain spices are reputed to help reduce proteinuria and support kidney health. These include turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, garlic, and cayenne pepper, each known for its unique health benefits that may aid in reducing the burden on the kidneys. Turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it beneficial for kidney health. It helps reduce inflammation, which is a common pathway through which kidney damage occurs, thereby potentially aiding in the reduction of proteinuria. Cinnamon, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, can also play a role in kidney health. It helps in regulating blood sugar levels, reducing the kidney's workload, and potentially lowering the risk of further kidney damage. Ginger is celebrated for its ability to support kidney function and reduce protein levels in urine. Its active compounds, such as gingerols, help soothe inflammation and may prevent the progression of kidney damage by reducing proteinuria. Garlic is beneficial for kidney health due to its potent antioxidant properties. Regular consumption can help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health, which is crucial for reducing the burden on the kidneys and decreasing proteinuria. Cayenne pepper stimulates blood circulation, which is vital for maintaining efficient kidney function. Its capsaicin content helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and potentially aiding in the removal of excess proteins from the urine. Incorporating these spices into your daily diet can be simple and effective. Adding ginger to smoothies, garlic to sautéed vegetables, and a pinch of cayenne pepper to soups can enhance flavors while contributing to kidney health. Creating recipes with turmeric can also be beneficial for those suffering from proteinuria. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which helps protect the kidneys and reduce protein levels in the urine. Cinnamon is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable spice for those managing kidney health issues. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet can be as simple as sprinkling it over oatmeal or adding it to your morning smoothie, providing a delicious and natural way to support kidney function. Ginger tea is an excellent choice for kidney health. To prepare, slice fresh ginger root and steep it in boiling water for several minutes. This beverage can help reduce inflammation and soothe the urinary tract, aiding in the reduction of protein levels in urine. Garlic-infused dishes not only enhance flavor but also boost kidney health. Garlic has properties that help in reducing proteinuria and improving overall kidney function. Try adding minced garlic to sauces, marinades, or as a seasoning on cooked vegetables for both health benefits and great taste. Cayenne pepper, known for its capsaicin content, helps improve blood circulation and supports kidney function. It can be used sparingly in dishes like soups and stews or even sprinkled over baked vegetables to add a kick while benefiting your kidneys. Before making any significant dietary changes, especially when including medicinal quantities of spices like turmeric, cinnamon, or garlic, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider. This ensures that the diet aligns with your specific health needs and conditions. Spices can offer significant health benefits, but using them in medicinal quantities may lead to potential side effects. High doses of turmeric, for instance, can cause indigestion or ulcers in sensitive individuals. It's crucial to monitor and moderate spice intake accordingly. Scientific research underscores the potential kidney benefits of spices like turmeric and cinnamon, highlighting their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. However, the evidence varies, and more studies are required to fully establish the extent of their effectiveness in kidney health management. Including spices in your diet can be complemented by other lifestyle adjustments such as regular exercise and minimizing stress. These changes work synergistically to enhance overall kidney function and general health, providing a holistic approach to managing conditions like proteinuria. Monitoring kidney health is essential, particularly for those at risk of or managing kidney disease. Key signs to watch include changes in urine color, frequency, and any swelling in the body, which can indicate worsening kidney function or advancing proteinuria. There are inspiring success stories of individuals who have managed their kidney conditions through dietary changes, including the use of beneficial spices. These cases often highlight the importance of a tailored approach, combining diet, hydration, and medical oversight. Hydration plays a pivotal role in maintaining kidney health. Adequate water intake helps flush out toxins that can harm the kidneys and aids in the proper functioning of these vital organs, potentially reducing the risk of developing conditions like proteinuria. Introducing other kidney-friendly foods into your diet can further enhance renal health. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, and those high in omega-3 fatty acids, like fish, support kidney function and overall wellness, complementing the benefits derived from kidney-supportive spices. The relationship between blood sugar levels and kidney function is significant. High blood sugar can damage blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste effectively. Managing blood sugar through diet and lifestyle choices is crucial for preventing diabetic nephropathy. When considering kidney health, the debate between herbal supplements and natural spices is noteworthy. While both can offer benefits, natural spices tend to provide antioxidants without the concentrated doses found in supplements, which can sometimes pose risks if not properly managed. Preventative measures for kidney health extend beyond diet. Regular exercise, avoiding smoking, and limiting alcohol consumption are crucial. These lifestyle choices help maintain optimal kidney function and prevent diseases that can lead to proteinuria and other kidney issues. Exercise plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health and managing proteinuria. Regular physical activity helps lower blood pressure, reduce stress, and improve circulation, all of which are essential for healthy kidney function. Incorporating moderate exercises like walking or swimming can significantly benefit kidney health. Managing stress is also vital in preventing kidney disease. High stress levels can lead to high blood pressure and damage kidney function over time. Techniques such as mindfulness, yoga, and regular relaxation can help keep stress in check and protect your kidneys. Annual health checks are indispensable for early detection of kidney issues. Regular screenings can catch signs of kidney stress and dysfunction before they develop into serious problems, allowing for timely intervention and management. These checks should include blood pressure monitoring and kidney function tests. Looking ahead, dietary treatments for kidney health are likely to evolve with more research. As we understand more about the effects of various foods and spices on the kidneys, personalized nutrition plans could become a key part of preventing and managing kidney diseases. In summary, using spices like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon can be beneficial for kidney health, especially in reducing proteinuria. However, these should complement broader lifestyle choices such as maintaining hydration, exercising, stress management, and regular medical checkups to ensure optimal kidney health.